Okay, so this is going to be the direct instructional video for the website. I have already created one. I call it Marks TPA. You need to log into sites.google.com with the authentication I send you on the email and via link. So you just click here, and this is the way it looks. You can change this background image, and you can put an image up here too. I believe this looks very handbook-like, so we can take advantage of this. We can put here in documents whatever we need for, like, let's say, templates. We can put here calendar the meetings, weekly meetings we have with them per country, per project, whatever. And directory, we can add all the directories, internal and external, their agencies and us. I'm not sure if we are going to use this discussion, but no, I believe we shouldn't use this one. This announcement, we can change them to maybe advisories. On resources here, I believe we can put the form that we have been using to request creation of clients in single customer view, and contacts. Well, we can add as much as you want, plus the categories you told me before: SLAs, country restrictions, and facts. You can add those. So to edit, you just need to click here on the pencil, and once the editor has loaded, you will be able here to edit text and edit everything here. The image, you can change this to more corporate logos, or you can rearrange them, you can put it elsewhere, or you can resize it, whatever. The way it looks, same thing here for this title and for these tabs. But I believe it's better if we put it like here. The layout, so we can put two columns. For instance, if you want to rearrange everything and put a category, let's say, for the agencies, another for Merck's users or whatever. And the layout can give you like these for columns with more text. We can put here announcements. I don't know. What else do we have? And then if we are not going to, once you have applied the changes, you can save here or cancel. So in the case, cancel. Now if you go to this, you will be able to edit this one, the, let's say, documents. And in documents, I see something really interesting, which is this: add documents from Drive. So try something here. I need to log into Drive. Remember, we have a few files here uploaded already to Drive. So let's say I want to add, I don't know, this one, a visibility report for Curaçao or Aruba. So what you do here to add the documents that you have already stored in Drive, instead of sending them via email, which is easier, I believe, then you just come here, select it, and it will show up here. Here is with the update. I mean, with the time it has been uploaded, with the footprint, who uploaded it, and there is something really interesting. You can tick it and subscribe to changes. So let's say you change something here inside the document, then it will show here, but the user who is subscribed to this will receive an alert with the change. And you can also comment here. Let's say, no, my shipment is missing, or I need to see something else, blah, blah, blah. Instead of them sending us email, they can create a comment thread here, just like Facebook or our internal Twitter. So I believe that is very useful too. Card changes. And let's go back to my site. Will drive me here, so here I'll see the site again. As per calendar, there is something really interesting too. We can add. I don't know if this can be integrated with Outlook, but we can create a Google Calendar to show him here the meetings, and this has the options also to subscribe, to follow up. It is visible per week, per month, per day. So it is very useful, and it's also printable. So well, I believe it works fine. I don't know if it's going to override any of the Outlook features, but I believe it will work fine. What else? We can subscribe, or we can add subscriptions for the users if they want to see or be notified every time there's a change to any of the websites or to the site here. Okay, and we have here levels of permissions. Let's see what we got. Okay, so here you will see how far the users can go. For instance, anyone with the, well, anyone can Google this, like Merck's TPA, and find it, but we can change it to give access only with the people who has the link or who we have invited. So let's say we're going to give this only to the agencies, so we can use this option, and only if they have the link, they will be able to see it. Or if we do it at an email level, let's say we send them to their emails, we invite them to the sites via email, then those are the only users that will be able to see it. It all depends. Same thing, same levels or same settings of privacy for the attachments and for what has been deleted, and in general for all the content of the site. So that should be very useful too. So my suggestion, Emily, here will be like you try to play around with the website, try to see what are going to be the images you're going to use, what's going to be the layout, and the information we will add here. Start to test it with the TPA users, with the agencies, and we will start building it too. Okay. Any questions? Just let me know.